Damage of epoxy coatings again and again is a common problem. Once every 9 to 15 months, they need to be repaired. And what do factories usually do? They coat another layer on top of the damaged one. But guess what? That too gets damaged soon. So they add another layer, then one more, and another, and yet again, one more. But this stacking of epoxy layers on the floor, it's not the solution. In fact, with each added layer, the average life of epoxy gets reduced. For example, with one layer of epoxy, if the average life was 9 months, then with 4 layers, it drops to just 6 months. Why does this happen? Let's understand the 3 reasons. First, epoxy is damaged because of its low hardness. Its Mohs scale is less than 2. No matter how many layers you add, the hardness doesn't change. Second, when you stack layers of epoxy on top of each other, the first layer bonds with concrete, which is a strong bond. But from the second layer onwards, the epoxy bonds with an epoxy base, which is a weaker bond. This makes the layers slip and become unstable. Third, uneven surface. Adding multiple layers over damaged epoxy creates a surface that's less flat. This leads to forklifts bumping, which causes even more damage. Then what to do? Odorless flooring treatment can help. While epoxy makes a coating above the base floor, odorless works under the base floor. It gets absorbed into the topmost layer of concrete and increases its hardness. With increased hardness, floors become resistant to forklift operations, scratches, and dust-free. Odorless floors are smooth, non-slippery, and long-lasting. While normal coating-based solutions last only 9 months, odorless lasts a minimum of 5 years. Hope this was helpful. For more such information on industrial maintenance, visit our website, reservate.com. And if you need any help with floor maintenance in factories or warehouses, call us on our toll-free number 1-800-890-0489.